for sales. And I will keep only column related to sales, average quantity, sales discount and profit. Now for this I abstract product table and sales. Now I will also do uncheck the enable load. Enable load means now this table will not be in use for the visualization. Yeah, it already removed, but it's there in the Power Query. This table is already there, so it not takes like this is the huge table and rows and columns. So it will not be in a Power BI desktop. So it saves the memory and only this crucial two tables which abstract that is needed that will be used for the visualization. So that's called enable load.